Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Nissan Versa car battery. First, prioritize your safety by gathering all necessary tools, including a 10mm wrench, a wire brush for cleaning, and a new battery. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from any battery acid. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and safe battery replacement process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. You'll find your Nissan Versa's battery under the hood, usually on the passenger side. Using your 10mm wrench, always disconnect the negative terminal first. This is a critical safety step. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal, carefully removing the cable. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery, preparing it for removal. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, take a moment to thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully position the new battery securely into the tray. Remember, when connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, ensuring it's very tight. Then, connect the negative terminal, making sure it is also firmly attached for optimal performance. You're almost done. Now, secure the new battery firmly with its hold-down clamp to prevent any movement while driving. For added longevity, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals. Finally, start your Nissan Versa to confirm that the new battery is functioning correctly and your car powers on. Remember to responsibly dispose of your old car battery at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.